Hey guys, I'm going to share with you how to do zoom in and zoom out in Camtasia, also known as zoom and span. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, coming back to Camtasia. So this is the video that I'm editing and always record a full screen. So what I want to do is I want to do a zoom feature where I can zoom a certain area or zoom this area. Okay, zoom in this area and then over here it go to the entire screen. Okay, so I just move the arrow to the area where I want to do a zoom. Let's say this area. Okay, then I'll click on animation and you see the zoom and pan over here, and here I'll just do a click and I do this and you see a small little arrow indicator. You notice this is zoom in. Okay, always plan where you want to zoom. Okay, after this I want to go back to the entire screen. Over here I'll click back to the actual size. So you notice here is zoom in. Once I click actual size, we'll go back to the actual size like this. So this is how it looks like. And then it will zoom in over here. Notice it zoom in. Okay, and then over here you just zoom out. Notice, yeah, very clean, very nice. Okay, just use this feature. It's very simple. This animation, move the size that you want, move the area, and once you're done, you click on actual size or scale to fit to the entire screen. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.